Hi guys! Welcome to my class. Please subscribe so that you can be updated on the next lesson. Then like and share so that you can help other students. Our topic for today is about powers and exponents. You are going to learn it here the easy way. But before we proceed to our main lesson, let us discuss first about mobile phones. We all know that mobile phones are very helpful to all of us and it makes our life easier. Much easier. We can send messages to our family and friends in just a matter of seconds, even if they are on the other side of the world. But I would like to remind you guys, mobile phone emits high level of radiation. I have a student who is always playing Mobile Legends after her classes. Even if she needs to eat and to pee, she doesn't want to do it because she will be killed in the Mobile Legend. She doesn't want to lose the game. She is missing her meals and forgot to go to the bathroom to pass her urine. Do you know what happened to her? She suffered from stomach aches due to ulcer and she got urinary tract infection. She doesn't have that before, but she gave it to herself because of giving too much time in mobile phones. Who among you guys is eating in front of mobile phones? Don't do this to yourself. Take care of your health. Please do not use mobile phones to damage your health, but instead, use it for your own advantage. The main objective of our lesson is to write and evaluate expressions using exponents. You can see the number 4 raised to the power of 3. You can see that number 4 is the base, number 3 is the exponent, and 4 cubed is the power. Technically speaking, both exponent and powers define the same meaning. You can use the exponent and power interchangeably. Power is the number used to represent the total count of repeated multiplication for number 4. On the other hand, an exponent, like number 3 here, is the power value that has to be raised for that given natural number. Power is the number used to represent the total count of repeated multiplication for number 4. On the other hand, an exponent, like number 3 here, is the power value that has to be raised for that given natural number. Accordingly, 4 raised to the power of 3 or 4 cubed is equal to 4 times 4 times 4. You are going to multiply the base 3 times. Therefore, you're going to multiply 4 3 times. Let us work on this example so that you will be guided. Write the expression using exponents. Negative 5 times negative 5 times negative 5 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. The base negative 5 is a factor 3 times and the base 2 is a factor 4 times. For this reason, we can write the expression using exponents as negative 5 raised to the power of 3 times 2 to the power of 4. Let us work again on another example so that you can understand it well. Write the expression using exponents. X times y times y times x times y times x times y times y. We can use the properties of operations to rewrite and group like bases together. The base x is a factor of 3 times and the base y is a factor of 5 times. We can see that we have 3 x's, so we can write x to the power of 3. And upon counting the number of y's, we have 5 y's. Therefore, we can write y to the power of 5. So, the expression using the exponent x times y times y times x times y times x times y times y is equal to x to the power of 3 times y to the power of 5. Let us work on another example so that you can hit it off. Evaluate negative 2 over 5 to the power of 3. We can write the power as a product, so we can write negative 2 over 5 3 times. On multiplying sign values, negative times negative is positive. But positive times negative is negative. So negative raised to the power of 3 is negative. Consequently, negative 2/5 times negative 2/5 times negative 2/5 will give us negative 8 all over 125. Let us work on this example so that you can get it straight. Sheikh Zayed Grand Mosque is one of the largest mosques in the world. The building complex measures approximately 39 times 10 times 10 times 10 square meters. The base 39 has a factor of 1 time and base 10 has a factor of 3 times. Consequently, we can write 39 times 10 to the power of 3. To evaluate the value, the building complex measures approximately 39,000 meters square. Let us work on another example so that you can totally get it. Evaluate the expression if x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 2. When the expression is x plus y close in parentheses to the power of 2. Substituting the values of x and y to the expression, x plus y to the power of 2 is equal to 5 plus 2 close in parentheses to the power of 2. Simplifying it, 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. So, 7 to the power of 2 is 49. What about this example? Evaluate the expression if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4. When the expression is y to the 4th minus x squared. Substituting the values in the given expression, we can come up with 4 to the 4th minus 2 squared. Writing the power as a product, it will give us 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 minus 2 times 2. Multiplying 4 times, it will give us 256, and 2 times, it will give us 4. Therefore, 256 minus 4, we can come up with 252. To wrap it up, when we are asked for writing the expression using exponents, you're just going to count how many are the bases and raise that to the power of the number of the bases. If we are asked to evaluate the expression, we're going to solve for the values. We're just going to substitute the given values in the given expression and work for the answer. Now guys, let us continue our discussion regarding mobile phones. Do you know that it also hinders sleeps? The blue light emitted by screens on cell phones restrain the production of melatonin. This melatonin is the hormone that controls your sleep. Reducing the melatonin makes it harder to fall and stay asleep. So guys, the best way to protect our brain is to reduce the amount of verbal communications we have in our phone. Always remember, cell phones expose us to a great deal of radiation. So there are a lot of risks with regards to our health. We need to take good care of our health and use mobile phone for our own advantage. Okay? Reduce playing and communication using mobile phone unless it is very important. I will never stop reminding you what Sheikh Zayed wrote for us. Education is like a lantern which lights your way in a dark alley. Let us give importance to our education so that you're not going to be blindfolded in the future. In case you have confusion on some part of the lesson, I want you to go back. Revise it again, watch it carefully, slowly, and I know you can get it. Life is a math equation. You cannot get the most of it if you cannot convert the negatives into positive. I want you to score high in math. Then be wise and healthy. Okay, till next math lesson. Bye-bye!